Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you how to achieve the hair bun hairstyle you just saw on the thumbnail. This hairstyle is so easy and so quick to do, and it's perfect for any occasion you're going for. So I believe you clicked on this video more so to watch the tutorial than to hear me talk. So let's get started. To start, we're going to prep our hair by moisturizing it so it's ready for the next step. Here I'm just using my DIY leave-in conditioner spray, which is just a mixture of water, my leave-in conditioner and some oil. Never be defeated. And there you have it. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It helps my channel grow, and I'll be forever grateful to you. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Comment in the comment section below to tell me what you think about the video. Love you all. Bye.